Welcome to Taiwan. So I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been sick continuously, which is normal when you move to a new country. But rather than giving just some lame update, let's grab some cameras and go hiking. Okay, I'm on Yumenguan Mountain taking a tour with a friend over here. So I guess the trail is this way. So far, this is like being one of the hiking trails back in China, where it's not like a hiking trail in Hawaii, but it's all kind of like paved with bridges and cobblestone. It's about busting out some more of this equipment and seeing if I can take some shots here. This is all pretty nice. I was up on that bridge behind me there. Now I'm getting down here. FYI, by no means am I turning this into a photography channel, but this is an opportunity to get some in. Getting deeper down here. I don't know if you can still see the bridge behind me. Oh, I'm on the total opposite side of that bridge now. I won't need to go to the gym after this. So I think I'll just keep my camera out, take shots the whole time.